just click on. 1 second. 1 click on.
We're at Kendall's Cafe for breakfast. And what do we got, Jared? We got the big
bacon.
breakfast.
We got all the pork products here. We got bacon. We got sausage. We got ham. I mean, we got a hog right here.
Yeah. Pretty great.
Sea steaker.
That's about all I got.
All right. Wasn't bad. Here we are at Goleta Meadows.
72 degrees.
72 degrees.
No wind.
No wind. It's a beautiful day in front of the sea serpent. Pretty cool. We just had an amazing breakfast over at Kendall's. And now we're just gonna kind of check out Borrego Springs.
We're gonna search for a mountain brine.
I don't think we're gonna find a mountain brine.
No.
But we're out here. It's a gorgeous day, and just taking a little bit of the sights before we head up north. Goodbye, Borrego Springs, Salton Sea. Here we come. It's a Borrego desert.
Middle of the desert.
This is why we love doing these trips. You find these amazing, beautiful spots that most folks never see. We got really lucky with the weather on this trip.
You stop
It's
wherever
been
you
dry.
want, you pull over, you make an awesome little video.
We had a little rain yesterday, but today is perfect. There's no wind, 68, 70 degrees.
Slightly overcast for now. Feels great. And to recap, we're still on the search for a mountain brine, and we have not found
There's
any
no sign
tracks.
of mountain brine.
But we'll keep looking.
You love the tripod.
Yeah, if it had, on solid foot ground level, yeah, it's fine.
So you're saying I need to upgrade the tripod?
No, not
Because I'll do it.
I know you will. Look out. Is that the Salton Stank right there?
It is the Salton Sea. Arguably Val Kilmer's best work.
Pretty great.
What do we got? What do we got?
As you can see right here, we've got a sign of a mountain brine close by.
That could be evidence
And if
that
you
mountain brine
follow
came through.
the track of stankers,
Right. Oh wow, there's another
there's
one.
another one.
There's another one.
There's one still burning. There's a mountain brine within 20 miles.
Where?
See the Tums and the stanker?
Yeah.
We got a mountain brine close by.
I've got two stains on my hand. There's a vision of what used to be mine. I'm 1,000 miles away. Time don't matter to me. I'm 1,000 miles away. And who is I wanna be?
I'm on vacation. Great fucking game.
Shakedown 1979. Cool kids never have the time. On a live wire right up off the street, you and I should meet. June bugs skipping like a stone, with the headlights pointed at the dawn.
We just left Palm Springs. We just climbed up a beautiful 74.
Got a little cold.
Temperature dropped about 12 degrees so far.
It's not bad.
Nope. It's really pretty up here right now.
To shake these zipper blues, we don't know just where our bones will rest. To dust, I guess, forgotten and absorbed to the earth below. Double cross the vacant and the bored. They're not sure just what we.
Sing it.
Nope, I don't cover band.
You love cover
I
bands.
hate cover band.
You love cover bands so much.
Other guy's song with their. You gotta let them know where we're at.
So where's the street goes?
We're at a bar. Shocker. I know.
In a walnut. That's a little rib.
Pretty much
And we're
everywhere we go, we end up at a bar.
I'm kind of reminiscing. This was my dad's watering hole back in the day before he passed away. So here's to my pops.
Here's to Father Wilbanks.
All right.
And I know you're gonna miss me when you go.
touching hands, reaching out, touching me, oh, touching me. Sweet Caroline, good time never seems so good. So good, so good, so good. Like fitting time.
We're in Old Town Temecula.
That's not my job is to follow your lead.
We're in Old Town Temecula.
Yeah, here we are.
You're gonna love it.
I'm gonna love it. Right there, see that?
I don't feel like this is a good match for what we like. There's M&M going on in the karaoke sector. And oops, there went gravity. Oops, there went gravity. Do it.
That looks pretty nice. You got really good.
I got an
all
American
American. I mean, with the flag, obviously it's an all-American burger. Right,
The
Spicoli?
onion rings have been great.
And I got the same thing.
And we're not expecting much.
No. Downtown Temecula. Monday morning. Going to breakfast. It rained. Good morning. So what do we got?
I mean, zoom in.
So we got a chicken fried steak. We got some hash browns.
And we were just commenting how hash browns can be better than home fries.
Then home fries, and I have to agree.
But look, we got actual butter. It's butter. It's not just flavor.
At the Swing Inn in Temecula, and our breakfast looks amazing. This is our final day of our desert and mountain road trip.
Old Town Temecula.
Old Town Temecula. Historic 395.
Just stayed at the Swing Inn. It was incredible.
It's great. We got a little rain last night. Any final thoughts on our trip?
It was pretty great. I mean,
great.
besides a little bit of moisture, which was just fine. It passed.
We had some rain on day one.
The Stagecoach was my favorite bar on earth.
Stagecoach yesterday was a lot of fun.
One of the only cover bands that I've ever liked.
Right. Save that clip.
And the only time I've ever said, play some Skynyrd, man. And they actually played Skynyrd. S3 was pretty money.
The S2?
S2 was great.
S2 is great. I really like the S22. Coming down towards the Salton Sea, riding through the northern part of the Borrego Desert. That was amazing.
And I love the scenery in the desert. I love looking down and seeing the desert floor. Well, there's one more thing that we need to talk about. Well, we went into Old Town Temecula last night and realized that we're old.
We did. We're about 20 years too old.
Yeah, we
for
can't.
Old Town Temecula bars.
We can't do karaoke of M&M.
But next time maybe we'll try some different spots.
Yeah, we're done.
All right, until the next trip.
It's a good talk.